this is gonna be a slightly different vlog than what we usually do. Stranger Things is taking over the Santa Monica Pier tonight, so we're gonna go check it out. We're stuck in traffic right now because there's a lot of tourists. Traffic, oh my gosh. I don't even know if we'll make it. There's the pier. Into the parking lot. What did that say? 50 spots? Oh my god, look at all these people leaving. Hopefully we'll get a spot. Found a spot! Alright, now we just have to get there. So Santa Monica is super nice. You get to park for an hour and a half for free in a bunch of their parking lots. And it's free charging for electric cars. This is just craziness everywhere. This is crazy even for us who live here. Got about an hour left, so let's go. All these people standing right next to this makes me think there's a line to get in. So this line is not even that long right now. They said this morning this line was like 400 people deep and it was a 5-hour wait the entire day. So if you want to get in, you have to come tomorrow at like 10 o'clock. But he also said he told everybody to come at 10, so the line at 10 could be like 5 hours long as well. So yeah, there's nothing to see. Darn, sad. Maybe tomorrow. Do you want to come tomorrow? We can just go eat now.
What's in there?
I have no idea. Okay, we just thought of a way to at least see what's inside. I have a really long selfie stick. Okay, so it looks like an 80s carnival on top of the more modern carnival that's permanently at the Santa Monica Pier. There's a ring toss, there's a Hawkins Dunk Tank. It's really cute. There's a ice cream scoops truck, a balloon pop. It doesn't look that busy. I don't know why they're not letting people in. I guess it's a lot more popular than we thought. Madness walking out. Okay, that was a little too crazy. I don't think we'll be coming back tomorrow to wait for 5 hours to get in. So hopefully that little overview was fun for you. Bye.